I spent 2 weeks testing every major AI chatbot, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, Copilot, even some you have never heard of. I ran the exact same tests on all of them: speed, accuracy, creativity, coding, research, real-world tasks. And I found a clear winner. In the next 9 minutes, you will see every test, every result, and which AI chatbot you should actually be using in 2026. The answer might surprise you. Let me show you. Here are the 6 AI chatbots I tested. ChatGPT by OpenAI, the most famous AI. Everyone knows ChatGPT, free version available. ChatGPT Plus costs $20 per month for GPT-4o access. Claude by Anthropic, known for best writing quality and largest context window, free version available. Claude Pro is $20 per month. Gemini by Google, integrated with Google ecosystem, Gmail, Docs, Search, free version. Gemini Advanced is $20 per month. Perplexity, focused on research and citations. Every answer includes sources. Free version. Perplexity Pro is $20 per month. Microsoft Copilot, built into Windows and Microsoft products. Free with limited features. Copilot Pro is $20 per month. Pi by Inflection AI, lesser known but interesting. Focused on conversational experience. Completely free. I tested both free and paid versions where applicable. All tests were done in the same week to ensure fair comparison. Let's see the results. Test 1. Speed. How fast does each AI respond? I asked the same question to all 6. Explain quantum computing in simple terms. Results. Perplexity fastest, 2 seconds. ChatGPT, 3 seconds. Gemini, 3 seconds. Claude, 4 seconds. Slightly slower but still fast. Copilot, 5 seconds. Pi, 6 seconds. Slowest winner for speed, Perplexity. But speed is not everything. A fast wrong answer is useless. Let's test accuracy. Test 2. Accuracy. Which AI gives the most factually correct information? I asked a tricky question with verifiable facts. What were the main causes of the 2008 financial crisis? List 3 specific causes with evidence. I fact-checked every response against credible sources. Results. ChatGPT gave 3 accurate causes, but one claim was slightly oversimplified. 90% accurate. Gemini, all 3 causes correct. Included specific evidence. 100% accurate. Claude, all 3 causes correct. More detailed explanations. 100% accurate. Perplexity, all 3 causes correct. Included source citations. 100% accurate. Copilot, to correct causes. One cause was vague and missing context. 70% accurate. Pi, 2 correct causes. One cause was incorrect. 60% accurate. Winner for accuracy. Tie between Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. All 3 were perfectly accurate. Pi and Copilot made mistakes. This is important. If you need facts, do not use Pi or Copilot. Use the big 3. Test 3. Creative writing. Which AI writes the best original content? I asked all 6 to write a short story about a detective solving a mystery in a futuristic city. Same prompt, same length requirement. Then I evaluated on creativity, writing quality, and originality. Results. ChatGPT, solid story, good pacing, decent twist, safe and competent. 7 out of 10. Gemini, interesting premise but generic execution. Felt like a template. 6 out of 10. Claude, outstanding, rich descriptions, compelling characters, unexpected ending, best prose quality. 9 out of 10. Perplexity, declined to write fiction. Said it focuses on factual responses, not designed for creative writing. Copilot, mediocre story, predictable plot, flat characters. 5 out of 10. Pi, decent attempt, friendly tone but shallow plot. 6 out of 10. Winner for creative writing. Claude, not even close. If you write fiction, articles, or any creative content, Claude is the best. Test 4. Coding. Which AI writes the best code? I asked all 6 to write a Python script that scrapes a website and saves data to a CSV file. Then I actually ran the code to see if it worked. Results. ChatGPT. Code worked perfectly on first try. Well commented. Clean structure. Perfect score. Claude code worked perfectly. Slightly more robust error handling than ChatGPT. Perfect score. Gemini. Code worked but had a minor bug I had to fix. Good but not perfect. 8 out of 10. Perplexity. Gave code snippets with explanations but not a complete working script. 6 out of 10. Copilot. Code worked after one small fix. Decent, 7 out of 10. PI code had multiple errors. Not suitable for coding tasks. 3 out of 10. Winner for coding. Tie between ChatGPT and Claude. Both are excellent for programming. Do not use Pi for code. Test 5. Researchability. Which AI is best for finding and citing information? I asked a research question. What are the latest developments in renewable energy technology? Include sources. Results. ChatGPT. Good summary, but no source citations. You have to manually verify everything. 7 out of 10. Claude. Excellent summary. No citations. Same issue as ChatGPT. 7 out of 10. Gemini. Good information. Can search the web if asked. But citations not automatic. 7 out of 10. Perplexity. Perfect, comprehensive answer. Every claim has a source link. Can click through to verify. 10 out of 10. Copilot. Can search web. Mixed quality sources. Some citations. 6 out of 10. Pi. No research capability. Just conversational. 2 out of 10. Winner for research. Perplexity. This is what it was designed for. If you do any research, Perplexity is essential. Test 6. Real-world usefulness. Which AI integrates best with actual work? ChatGPT works standalone. No integrations unless you pay for plugins. Limited Claude. Works standalone. Can upload files for analysis. Good but not integrated. Gemini, winner here. Connects to Gmail, Google Docs, Calendar, Drive. Can actually do tasks in your Google Workspace. Extremely practical for real work. Perplexity. Standalone research tool. Does one thing excellently. No integrations. Copilot. Integrated with Microsoft products. Good if you use Microsoft ecosystem. Pi. Standalone conversation. No integrations. No tools. Winner for integration. Gemini, if you use Google. Copilot, if you use Microsoft. So which AI chatbot actually won? Here is my honest ranking. Number 6, PI. Only good for casual conversation. Not suitable for serious work. Free is the only advantage. Number 5, Microsoft, Copilot. Decent if you already use Microsoft products. Not worth paying for otherwise. Number 4, ChatGPT Solid AUG. Good at everything. Great at nothing. Best for general use and coding. Number 3, Gemini. Best integration with Google Workspace. If you live in Google Docs and Gmail, this is your choice. Number 2, Perplexity. Best for research. Unbeatable citation quality. Essential for students and researchers. Number 1, Claude. Best overall quality. Best writing. Best at understanding context. Largest context window. Most thoughtful responses. This is the AI I use daily for serious work. My recommendation. Use Claude as your main AI. Add Perplexity for research. You do not need to pay for all of them. Pick one or two based on your needs. If you only choose one AI, choose Claude. That is my honest conclusion after 2 weeks of testing. If this comparison helped you decide, hit the like button. Subscribe to AI Tools Hub for more honest AI comparisons. Comment below which AI you use and why. Thanks for watching.